Are you a passionate YouTuber looking for innovative ways to enhance your video editing and content creation process? Look no further, as this video presents 10 top-notch AI-powered apps that will take your YouTube videos to the next level. From intelligent video editing tools to advanced captioning systems, these free AI apps are designed to simplify your workflow and make your videos stand out from the crowd. Join us as we explore the amazing features of each app and discover how they can revolutionize your YouTube content creation journey. Hey there, passionate YouTubers! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have something extraordinary lined up for you. We will be showcasing the top 10 AI-powered apps that will truly revolutionize your YouTube video making experience. From innovative video editing tools to cutting-edge AI technology, these apps are a game-changer for content creators. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. App 1. Intelligent Video Editor. Our first app on the list is the Intelligent Video Editor. This AI-powered app uses advanced algorithms to automatically analyze your footage and create professionally edited videos with a single click. It can seamlessly cut, trim, and merge clips, applying transitions and creating a visually appealing final product. With its intuitive interface and effortless editing capabilities, this app is perfect for YouTubers of any skill level. App 2. Captioning Master. Up next, we have Captioning Master. As the name suggests, this AI app specializes in generating accurate and real-time captions for your YouTube videos. Using state-of-the-art speech recognition technology, it can automatically transcribe your dialogue and synchronize it perfectly with your video. With Captioning Master, you can ensure your content is accessible, inclusive, and engaging for all viewers. App 3. Soundwave Enhancer. Now, let's introduce you to the Soundwave Enhancer. This app utilizes AI algorithms to enhance the audio quality of your YouTube videos. It can effectively reduce background noise, balance audio levels, and add depth and clarity to your overall sound. With the Soundwave Enhancer, your viewers will appreciate the crystal-clear audio experience, making your videos more enjoyable and professional. Highlight key features of the app. App 4. Thumbnail Generator. Demo footage of the app in action. Moving on, we have the Thumbnail Generator. We all know the importance of eye-catching thumbnails and attracting viewers to our videos. With this app, you can say goodbye to the hassle of designing thumbnails from scratch. It employs AI technology to analyze your video content and generate visually captivating thumbnails that are guaranteed to grab attention and increase click-through rates. App 5. Analytical Insights. Demo footage of the app in action. Last but definitely not least, we have Analytical Insights. This app provides comprehensive data and analytics for your YouTube channel, allowing you to track the performance of your videos and gain valuable insights. With its AI-powered algorithms, Analytical Insights helps you understand viewer engagement, demographics, and audience retention, enabling you to optimize future content and grow your YouTube channel strategically. Highlight key features of the app. And there you have it, folks, our top 10 AI-powered apps for YouTube video making. These applications are like your creative allies, providing you with the necessary tools and AI intelligence to take your content creation to new heights. Whether it's seamless video editing, accurate captions, enhanced audio, attention-grabbing thumbnails, or insightful analytics, these apps have got you covered. So go ahead, explore the world of AI for YouTube, and make your mark in this ever-growing platform. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, happy YouTubing!